Okay, so uh, I am going to drain and refill my transmission fluid, gear, oil, stuffs, and it's been, I don't know how long. I've never changed it before, and I've had it for a few years. So, 2 years. I've never driven it really far, but I'm sure it's due. Just see how well this goes. Oh, what do you know? Look at that. That has got to be the first that the drain was actually loose. Let's see how hard the fill is going to be. You know, now that I'm thinking about it, I wonder if I broke this loose a while back because I knew I was going to change it. Oh. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. Actually, it looks kind of new. I don't know. Oh, but look at that. Look at all the metal on that. Yeah, that's maybe there's a transmission problem I'm unaware of, and they changed the fluid. It's not black. It actually looks pretty good. Can y'all see the color in that? Yeah, kind of. Yeah, it's kind of gold. Huh. That was a shocking surprise. Wasn't very much though. And of course the fill is on the other side, so I'm gonna have to move Sleeping Beauty. So I can get to that side. Man, that looks like I already tore a boot on my power steering. That sucks. Look at that. Golly. It's always something. And let's see if I could get you a shot of the fill. Break that loose. You see it? It is right there. That sucks. I got my jack stand right in the way. That's gonna be fun to try to break loose. Clean out the threads. Got my drain plug all cleaned up the magnet a little bit more. Just setting it down, picked up more crap. Screw that back in. Go. There's my ratchet. Sucks as this wasn't even one of the things on my list to do, just something I remembered. And it turns out I didn't even need to do it because the gear oil looked pretty good. A lot of metal in there though. So I'm pretty sure I'll be swapping this tranny out soon. I might be swapping the whole thing eventually. Alright, that's good. I'm going to try to break loose this filler, which I've never really had a whole lot of luck with these. So we'll see what happens. Oh, look at that. I really think I broke these loose a while back, because that's loose. Pretty sure I did. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. Way to go, man. There we go. That's off. Do this little wipe down. And I got some fresh oil, gear oil. Picked up a couple gallons of, I don't know if you can see that. I got some Redline MT90. I know it's probably better oil than the thing actually. Then the oil's probably worth more than this transmission at this point. But I am gonna beat on it, so I would like it to have some good lubrications in the lubrication department. Alright, and that plug was really easy to clean. It didn't have a magnet, so bam, bam. Okay, now you might ask, you might say, James, that is a large bottle. How do you plan to get the fluid from the bottle into the transmission? And I say that is an excellent question, and I have an answer. I have a Harbor Freight answer, where I picked up this little hand pump for like it was like $5, $6, something like that. And basically jam that. You know what, I should probably wipe that before I just push crap into it. Yeah, this tranny is filthy. But this motor had a serious oil leak when I got it. I think I took care of the oil leak, because I believe it was the valve cover that was peeing out oil everywhere. Alright, I hope this thing fits in there. Doesn't seem like it does. It's a light. I can see. Light. Oh, that's no good. Yeah, that is not the fill. Why that is not the fill, guys? Why didn't y'all tell me that that's the fill? Not that. I cleaned that hole for nothing. Come on, guys. I mean, really. Dang it, that's up there too. And the jack is right in my way. When I jacked the car up, I wasn't anticipating doing the gear oil. So yeah, I probably would have moved it more towards the front than I anticipated. Okay, try that again. This time with results. Is that it? That's it, right? Yeah, that one's it. Okay, so that goes in like that. This. Damn it, get in there. Okay. Son of a biscuit. Oh my goodness. I can't see where this is going, so there we go. There we go. Oh! I did that. I just freaking... Oh my god, I just dropped a straw inside there. I have another one, but I'm going to see how much I can pilfer off. Because I think it's like 2 quarts to fill it. Alright, let's see how this does. Oh, there he goes. And since I don't really care how this, you know, I just don't want to blow a hole in it. But I believe when you fill these things, you fill them till it comes out, because that's about halfway in there. That's like, it's like, it'd probably be like 2 quarts. So I'm just gonna give her until she fills up. I got a lot of experience doing this. Usually faster though, and shorter motions. Oh, oh, oh. Is it full already? There's no way. I think it's just coming out. Because it... Yeah, that's not coming out yet. Almost there. I can't even see what I'm doing. There we go. Hopefully I'll get enough in there before this thing starts shooting air, because I just lost the dang straw inside there. I'm messed up. Sucking air now. Lean this thing over. Ah, there we go, we're getting fluid again. I'm so dumb. You see how dumb I am? I'll get in there. Still going. Dang, we should be getting there already. What the heck? Oh, we're pumping air again. Oh, the car's got me. Holy cow. Dude, I've got just about half of this thing in there. This thing should be filled. Should be full any minute now. Come on, fill up, baby. There we go. She's topped. Awesome. Now, I think I shoved that nozzle in too far. Oh, no, I did. No, we're good. And there it is. Now I just got to clean up my mess, put my plug back in. And she's ready to rock. Sorry for the lame video. I had a lot of other stuff going on this weekend. Well, weekend. My days off were Thursday, Friday. And my neighbor's truck was giving her trouble, and she caught me just as I was getting home on my first day off. And you know, she's an elderly lady, and she has like a 93 Chevy 1500, and that's like, yeah, that's her truck. Little, you know, she's like 70. Not 70, she's like 65 maybe. But yeah, she was no start condition, so I had to figure that out and turned out to be the ignition control module. Where did my wrench go? Oh, there it is. So I got that replaced, and then wasn't running right still, so had to do it, figure it out. And honestly, I was exhausted by the time I was done with that truck, and I went to sleep after I picked my kids up from school, and I didn't wake up till like 10 o'clock at night. And I was like, dang it, because I had plans on doing stuff to the car. And then today I had a Dodge Dart, belongs to my buddy, and I changed out his front bumper. He bought a bumper and had it painted, and I just swapped them out for him. And you know, I wanted to make sure I did a really good job, because you know, it's a friend's car. I don't want him to go out there and, you know, shit falls off because you know, some asshole didn't care. And that took about 2/3 of this gallon there. So I think that's right. I want to say it was like 2.5 quarts is the capacity of this transmission. So yeah, 2/3 of the, yeah, that's 2.5 quarts. So right on, we're all good. This gearbox is ready to blow up on the 12th. Oh, I'm a dumbass. But yeah, so that's one less thing to do. I still got to do the coolant leak, finish my fans, and what else? Oh, I got to roll my fenders. They're very close. Probably be okay, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I got a cheap eBay fender roller, and yeah, I'm gonna mess with it. I don't know how to roll fenders. I'm just gonna mess with it and see what happens. So look forward to that. You know, hopefully I get to do that in the next day or 2, 3. But hell yeah, that's one more thing to check off. So thanks for watching, and say goodnight to my daughter. Good night. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm an idiot. Later.